I'm Thea Rickard at Voxxed. I'm now joined by Michael Hackstein, a senior graph specialist. Hello, Michael.
Yeah, hello.
What does a senior graph specialist do?
So actually I'm creating or building a graph database and there, actually it's a multi-model database. We have more than the graph model and I'm responsible for all the graph features and that's why I'm the team leader there. So I'm just creating all the graph features of a database.
And what effect will this have on like Bristol or society in general? What will this do?
So it is the building block for a lot of software that can build on top of it. So all the apps that you see on your mobile device, for example, they have a database in the backend. And the graph database is a different format that is allows you to give some more performance in several use cases, and therefore it will speed up all the web experience that you have.
Oh, that's really interesting.
Yeah, thanks.
Am I right in saying that this is your first time at Voxxed?
Yes, it's my first time at Voxxed.
So have you had a good day so far?
Yes, of course. A lot of awesome talks already, so it was very good.
Who have you been to see?
I have been to a very interesting JavaScript talk at the beginning. He was talking about meta-programming in JavaScript, which was pretty fun and pretty crazy. So, and the other one was about proto-buffers, which was also very interesting. Yeah.
And can you explain for someone like me, who doesn't understand anything about technology, what role does JavaScript have in computing and technology?
So nowadays, everything that you really see is typically written in JavaScript. So if you open your web browser, almost everything is written in JavaScript.
Okay, carry on, sorry.
Yeah, and then in addition, there is a lot of JavaScript moving to the server side. So with Node.js, there's a lot of opportunity for developers to write this JavaScript code they have in their web API already on the server as well.
Thank you.
Yeah.
And Michael, do you live in Bristol yourself?
No, I don't live in Bristol. I live in Germany, in Cologne. So I traveled here for Voxxed Days.
For this? Wow, that's a long way. Because do you view this as quite a prestigious event that you would travel for? There's many people from different countries here.
Yeah,
so, wow.
Of course I would.
That's brilliant.
Yeah.
Who is your biggest role model in the technological world?
So there are actually a couple. Mm-hmm. So I would say I was pretty much inspired by Martin Fowler, who has like pretty good ideas in terms of microservices, clean code, agile methodologies, which is pretty good. And I'm also inspired by Douglas Cockford for JSON and JavaScript and his work. And for hardware, I'm pretty impressed, or was impressed, by Steve Jobs, because I'm a big fan of Apple.
Yes, I think everyone is now.
Yeah.
And do you have any tips for young people into getting into technology, or just who are interested in tech?
Yeah, some tips. So just try it out. So it's a lot of fun. The first line of code is like pretty boring. You do not really get what's going on. And then as soon as you're in, you have your first website and you see, okay, if I do change something here and there, it's a lot of fun on the long run. So just try it out, give it a shot and work with it.
Thank you very much, Michael.
Welcome.
This has been Michael Hackstein and Thea Rickard. Michael is a senior graph specialist.